Hello, Zainab.
Hello, teacher Shadia.
Yes, today is your Unit 4 oral test, okay? Number 1, it's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
Very good. Okay, number 2, look at this picture. Who is she?
She is my mother.
Very good. Number 3, look at who is he?
He is my grandfather.
Very good. Okay, number 4, look at her. Can you tell me about her? How is she looking?
She is short.
Yes, she's short and she is
Pretty good.
yes. Okay, number 5. Is she young?
No, she isn't.
Very good. Okay, now can you start to read?
It is green. It is a rectangle. What is it? It is a book. It is white. It is an oval. What is it? It is an egg. It is yellow. It is a diamond. What is it? It is a kite.
Very good. Ooh, good job. Goodbye. Say goodbye. Goodbye,
Bye.
Zainab. See you next time. Okay.